Hi guys and welcome back to our channel Intexture by ANK. In today's video we're going to talk about hottest living room trends. Design trends invite us to explore new horizons, experiment with novel elements, reevaluate our past and embrace our surroundings. And so, it's no surprise that living room trends are a whimsical fusion. We're talking contrasting styles, a resurgence of all things vintage and eco-friendly design. So, let's get started. Trends in interior design encapsulate the spirit of our age. They emerge organically in response to the dynamic and ever-evolving world that surrounds us. Living room trends will take on diverse forms, from highly practical to extraordinarily inventive, and some of them might captivate us by being delightfully absurd. Mixing contemporary and traditional elements has become increasingly common as a resourceful way to produce a personalized, often timeless look. Blending elements from different eras is favored by many, and this year, living room ideas and trends extend to a new level of eclecticism. We expect to see a lot of fresh creative expression within the limits of cohesive design. The days of monochromatic rooms seem to be waning, making way for vibrant resurgence and announcing an exciting era of interior design. Colorful is the new black in living room interior design trends, and these ideas are all about embracing warm, feel-good compositions. The allure of deep, expressive color palettes also means fresh opportunities to create living rooms that are not only visually striking but also emotionally resonant. The world of interior design is ever evolving and takes on board the living room, often considered the heart of a home. These trends are set to transform your lounge into a contemporary sanctuary. Most major color authorities seem to have been dreaming in blue, and quite wonderful dreams. This year's Color of the Year flaunts a range of blue shades, from Sherwin-Williams' mesmerizing pastel upward to Benjamin Moore's cosmic blue Nova. Even better news, these shades also make a beautiful fit with the latest Coty choices, allowing you to incorporate them into your decor without hassle. Although interior design ideas shift toward enclosed dedicated rooms, open space layouts are still relevant. Nevertheless, you can follow the flow without major renovation, using creative room dividers as the answer to this modern conundrum. The versatile functionality of room screens allows you to place them as needed, creating handy yet attractive focal points. Meanwhile, using elegant draping curtains can not only separate spaces but also significantly elevate the room's style. Contemporary living room ideas bring a fresh, downtown chic look to urban city apartments. We will slowly move beyond the industrial trend, known for stripped-down steel and copper details, towards confident colors and a soft, elaborate backdrop. Think painted brick walls or wall paneling in muted hues. Next, top them up with vibrant furnishings, accessories, and art that match the lively energy of a modern city. Before we go any further with this video, if you want to support us, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Trends are not static. They continually evolve and adapt to the cultural, technological, and environmental shifts of our time. They also manifest our collective creative spirit, influenced by culture, social movements, technological breakthroughs, and of course, ever-moving pendulum of fashion. Some of the living room decor trends could evolve into timeless classics. There is a rising appreciation for handmade and artisanal decor items. These unique pieces add a touch of individuality and charm to the living room. But beyond that, opting for handmade decor means celebrating craftsmanship in a world often dominated by mass-produced goods. Walls will become a canvas for creativity. Artistic wall treatments, including textured wallpapers, bold murals, chic paneling, and creative paint techniques, will make living rooms more distinctive and visually appealing. This trend allows homeowners to showcase their individuality without the constraints that ruled the neutral minimalist layouts for so long. In line with the revival of classic elegance, stripes return as a vital element of stylish home decor. You can apply them anywhere, from furniture upholstery to accent walls. Stripes often offer an excellent way to infuse a distinct flair into your living room ideas. In addition, they harmonize beautifully with trendy color palettes, subtly enhancing a room's character with a timeless appeal. As we journey into the future, our interiors become the playground for innovation, sustainability, and personal expression converge. Consequently, living room ideas boast unique furniture designs, cheerful palettes, and sustainability-driven materials. Furniture with soft curvy lines will continue to dominate living room interior design, and it's easy to see why. These curves create inviting and cozy, yet exceptionally sophisticated conversational areas within a living room. Gentle contours and plush upholstery ooze an organic, inviting allure, offering both comfort and class. In recent years, we have been witnessing a surge in distinctive seating. Notably, bold statement sofas have made quite an impact. The logical next step was the addition of fun, vibrant, colorful accent chairs, and many trend-setting producers have already delivered. Meanwhile, for those with an affinity for thrift finds and unique pieces, new living room design ideas offer exciting prospects with vintage-inspired seats. This is it for this video. If you liked our video, then don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.